Step 1. Sign up to this website. Step 2. Copy this link. Step 3. Paste the link here to get free traffic and make a lot of money. And in addition to that, after the last step, I will show you a bonus website that will boost your earnings even more. So make sure to watch the entire video till the end to understand the whole process, and don't skip any steps shown in the video if you don't want to miss the opportunity to make $1,400 every single week. Basically, this will be the first time on this channel that we discuss this strategy. You can use this exact method to earn money online whether you live in the United States, India, Kenya, the Philippines, South Africa, Pakistan, Indonesia, Nigeria, or anywhere else on the planet. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection, and then copy and paste this method to make a lot of money. Obviously, the earlier you jump on new opportunities, the more money you can make, because you will have all the competitive advantages against others. So if you're as excited as I am about this step-by-step tutorial, then hit the like button and let's dive right in. So the first website we will need for this method is CPA Grip. In case you've no idea what CPA is, so CPA means cost per action. On this website, you don't have to sell anything and people don't have to buy anything from you either. All you have to do is to collect people's email addresses and get paid for it. We are basically getting paid for the action when they enter their email address, and you can do it very easily if you follow my instructions. So basically, CPA Grip is a CPA marketplace that has thousands of offers to promote. To get started, you have to sign up from here and fill out the information properly. Your first name, last name, address, country, email, and a preferred password. But in the publisher type, you have to select website/incent and select the terms and conditions and press register now. After that, you will receive an email like this to verify your account. You just have to click the given link in the email to verify. And after that, you can sign into your account easily using your email and password. Once you sign in, you will see a dashboard like this. As you can see in the public chat section, people are posting how much money they made using this website. But now, before doing anything here, I will head over to the second website and sign up, which is Buy a Link. This website is absolutely free and very easy to use. You can sign up to this website by clicking here, and after you sign in, you will see something like this. Basically, this is similar to a landing page where you can host various links. Now to change the name of your page, you have to click on Design, and you can change your name to whatever you want. In my case, I will go with free giveaways and change the profile picture to some gift box or some giveaway icons. These are basically available online for free on any icon website. And in the bio section, you can write something like participate in the free giveaways by clicking on the links below and then just hit save. And now I will just return to CPA Grip to find some CPA offers to add to this landing page. Now to find the offers, I will just go to this section, Offer Tools, and below that, My Offers, to get various offers to promote. And before we move forward, I'd like to show you that in the Payment Center, you can receive payments through various methods like Payoneer, ACH Transfer, and PayPal. So you have nothing to worry about if your country doesn't support PayPal. Next, I'll get back to my offers and change the country to the United States because it has the best offers to promote and the payouts are better as well. You don't really have to be a resident of the US to promote these offers. You can promote these from anywhere in the world. It just means the people who sign up from your referral link have to be residents of the United States. Now in the category, I will change it to email and zip submit to get the offers that I am looking for. As you can see here, we will get paid $2.05 for each email submission. And we just need to find 2 or 3 more offers like this to promote because we don't want to overdo it. And after we find the offers, I will just click on the offer that I have selected and it will pop up a window that has all the information about the offer and a referral link as well. I will copy the referral link and head back to the landing page. On the landing page, I will click here on Add Link, and after that, I will paste the link that I copied from CPA Grip in the URL section, and in the title, I will add the same title that is given on the CPA Grip as well. To make things even better, we can include a phrase like first 300 only to create some hype, and just click Save. As you can see, the first referral link has been added to the landing page, and I will do the same for the rest of the offers that I have chosen from CPA Grip, and after that, our landing page will be ready. So now I can share this landing page using this link right here in the top right corner, and if I click on it, I can see a preview of the landing page which totally looks like a website, and it's totally for free. It just took like a few minutes to create this page, and it has all the offers that I want to promote, and people can easily click on any of these offers and participate in the giveaway. The reason why we need a landing page to promote the offers is that social media platforms do not allow anyone to promote CPA links directly on their platform, so we need a middleman to do this job. And basically, by using a landing page, we are increasing our chances to maximize our earnings because people can just come to this page and instead of participating in one giveaway, they can participate in all the giveaways, and this increases their chances of winning multiple times as well. So now the main question is, how do we drive traffic to this landing page to promote the offers and make money? But don't worry, our third website will solve this problem. You just have to go to this website called Reddit and type giveaways in the search bar. As you can see, there are more than 80,000 people on this subreddit. Here you can post the offers for completely free, but there is a proper way to do it, and if you don't do it in the proper manner, then they will ban you from posting. To prevent that from happening, you can follow my instructions like this. So first you can click here on the plus icon, and it will open up a new page. And next you can use a template that I have created for you, which you can copy and paste to promote your offers. I will add the link to this template in the description, so if you want it, you can have it from there. And now to create the post, I will just click here in the link section, and in the titles, I will paste the title that is given on the template. Next, in the URL section, I will paste the landing page URL and click Post. In addition to that, you can go to Facebook and type giveaways in the search bar, and you can find a lot of groups that are giveaway related, and you can join them and just copy and paste the template with your landing page URL to make even more money. As I mentioned at the start of the video, there is a bonus website which will boost your earnings even more, so this is a reward for those of you who are still watching this video till the end. I will show you a secret website that is totally free and will promote your CPA links across the internet on thousands of websites, and the website is classified ads. This website is totally free, and you can use this website to post geo-target ads, which will last for 9 months and make you money constantly. To use this website, you have to click here, Post an Ad. Next, select the category and subcategory, and then the location where you want to show the ad. Next, you put in your ad title and an asking price, which is basically 0, and a description, your name, email, phone number, and the name of the city and the zip code. But in the Expire In section, select 9 months so your ad will be there for as long as possible. After that, just fill out the CAPTCHA and then put an image related to the giveaway and hit Post this ad, and just keep on making money in a passive way. And this way, if you just post 2 giveaway offers on your landing page and you get 50 email submissions for each offer, then it means 100 emails per day. And if you make $2.05 per email, then you can make $205 each day. If you receive the same number of emails for the rest of the week, then you can make up to $1,435 every single week. I hope you liked today's video and learned something new, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel so that I will be able to come up with more tutorials like this, and hit the bell icon so that you get notified first whenever I upload a new video. Because remember, the earlier you jump on new opportunities, the more money you can make. And that being said, I will see you in the next one.